Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest tech. Today, we're diving into the DJI Mini 3, a compact drone that packs serious imaging power. It promises stunning 4K HDR video and an impressive flight experience for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's look at what truly makes a camera drone shine. It's imaging. The 4K HDR video with dual native ISO fusion ensures stunning clarity in both bright and low light conditions. While true, its 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance keep your footage incredibly smooth, and the 10-kilometer HD video transmission. You get a good standard flight time, but reaching the impressive 51 minutes requires the separately sold intelligent flight battery. We appreciate its lightweight design, coming in under 249 grams, making it incredibly portable and often exempt from FAA registration. The DJI Mini 3 really shines when it comes to capturing visuals, offering impressive 4K HDR. Next, we'll discuss how easy this drone is to fly and what you need. Designed with beginners in mind, features like GPS return to home, precise hovering, and auto takeoff/landing provide a confident. A major advantage is its weight under 249 grams, which means you typically won't need FAA registration for recreational flights. Priced at $340.62, the DJI Mini 3 delivers a strong array of features and performance for a mini drone offering. While great, the best flight times come from the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus or the Fly More combo, both. This drone offers an excellent user experience, especially for new pilots, thanks to its beginner-friendly features. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to enter the world of drone piloting or upgrade to a highly portable option. Its 4K HDR video, impressive stability, and user-friendly features make it a powerful tool for capturing amazing aerial content.